Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet management. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Bitcoin from Arculus Wallet to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will help you transfer your Bitcoin securely and efficiently. Whether you're cashing out for some real-world spending or just shuffling assets, let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet and Coinbase Wallet apps installed on your device. Update them to the latest 2025 versions for the smoothest experience. Open your Arculus Wallet and log in with your secure credentials. You'll see your dashboard. Locate your Bitcoin balance and select it to begin the withdrawal process. Next, tap on the Send or Withdraw option, which is usually found in the transaction menu. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address, that's your Coinbase wallet address. Pro tip: always double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes, like sending funds to the wrong place. Copy and paste it carefully from your Coinbase app. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so keep an eye on those to ensure you're not overpaying. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like biometrics or a PIN. In 2025, enhanced security measures like multi-factor authentication are standard, so follow any additional prompts. After you initiate the transfer, sit tight. Bitcoin transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Head over to your Coinbase Wallet app and refresh it to see your incoming Bitcoin. If you encounter any issues, like delays or errors, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. And just like that, you've successfully withdrawn your Bitcoin. This process is straightforward, but always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets when possible and never share your private keys. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading in 2025.